Good morning, fourth graders. Happy Wednesday. I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about what you're doing today in STEAM class. On Monday, you guys should have gotten your secret words from your password card or your login card and got all signed in to code.org. So hopefully you were all able to do that. If not, and you guys are still working on that, you're going to want to refer to Monday's assignment for setting that up. Okay. And also it's helpful if you click the star in the search bar to save the website to your bookmark bar. So remember this star here, if I click it, it's going to save whatever website I'm on. And then I just click done because it's going right to my bookmarks bar. Now I don't want to do that right now. So I'm going to just click it one more time and click remove. But I have my code.org website saved right up here, so I can always just quickly go to it if I want. Try working on memorizing your secret word too, so you don't have to refer to it on your password card. And today's lesson is going to be coding lesson 1. So you'll find that under Wednesday's assignment, under activities. It'll say Wednesday's assignment, coding lesson 1, 4th grade. You're going to start out by clicking add response. Because when you click add response, it will allow you at the end to click the green check mark so I know it's done. You're going to click this link and go to code.org and sign in. Remember, you'll get signed in by finding your name and then typing in your secret word or secret words, because there's 2 words. And remember to put that space in between those words so that you can log in. Okay. And so I'm going to try and do that here and see if it's going to open up for me. And then I'm going to show you a little bit about what to do for the puzzles in lesson 1. All right. And then you're going to find your name. So Mrs. Tenek, I don't know if I have I think this might be mine. We'll see. All right. And so we're going to go to sequencing in the maze. So lesson 1 is right here, sequencing in the maze. And think of a sequence of something. It's a list of steps or an order in which something is done. Okay. And a maze is just a course that you're trying to get through. Kind of like, you've done those mazes with your pencil and started at one end and tried to get all the way to the other end. So you guys are pretty familiar with mazes, especially if you've done any games and stuff. Now you're going to start with puzzle 1, and puzzle 1 is actually a video. So anytime you see these diamond-shaped lessons or puzzles, those are actually videos, and they're going to teach you a little bit more about what it is that you need to do for the following puzzles. So let's take a look at the maze intro and programming with blocks. Now, if I clicked continue right away, it would skip my video. So don't click continue. Make sure that you watch this. Even though we're watching it now, it's always good to watch it a second time.
Today, we're going to learn to program using a drag-and-drop language called Blockly. Blockly uses colorful instructions called blocks to build programs that you can use to solve puzzles. Under the hood, you're still creating code. Each puzzle you'll solve, the code is split into 4 main parts. On the left is the play area, where your program will run. In the center, you will see the toolbox area that holds all the blocks that you will need for each puzzle. To the right is your workspace, where you will drag blocks to build your program. Finally, above the workspace, you will see the specific instructions for each puzzle. Don't worry if you accidentally drag out a block that you don't need. If you have an extra block, simply drag it back into the toolbox to put it away. After you hit run, you can always hit the reset button to get your character back to the start so you can try again.
Okay, and then when it's done, this is where I would click continue. And then just make special note of some of the areas that she was talking about. You have your instructions up here, your play area here, your toolbox here. This is where is going to contain any of the blocks that you're able to use in order to run your program. And then this is the workspace here. Okay, so for this puzzle, snap all of the blocks together and click run to watch it go. And I can also play it.
For this puzzle, snap all of the blocks together and click run to watch it go.
Now, if you plan on having your volume up, I am going to require that you have headphones on. Otherwise, it just gets really disruptive and hard for people to focus. So make sure you're bringing your headphones from now on. All right. So once I've read the instructions, I click OK. And we always read the instructions first so you know what to do. I don't want to hear anybody say, I don't know what I'm supposed to do, because the first question that you're going to be asked is, did you read the instructions? All right. So we're going to snap all the blocks together and click run. Well, all blocks, all what blocks? Well, there's a couple different blocks. There's some here that are kind of faded, and then there's a couple here. Notice a little number 2 right there. That means that the most blocks I can use are 2 of them. Okay. Because these are faded here, I can actually still use them. And watch what happens. Oh, as I used 1 block from over here, it changed to only 1 block left there. And when I do this one, it changes to 0. Normally, your blocks will all just be in the toolbox side. You won't see them in the workspace right away. But this is kind of the beginning of the course, so they're just trying to show you a little bit about what they're talking about. So we have when run. Now that just means when I click the run button, okay, the following things are going to happen. Move forward, move forward. Now remember last year when we did a little bit with Dash, we used Blockly coding as well. And it's the same concept, okay? So move forward, move forward. So I want this guy to move forward 1, 2 times. If, let's go ahead and run it and see what happens. All right, awesome. And then if I wanted to see the actual code that goes into this, because Blockly is still just a simpler form of coding, but there's more details that go into actual computer coding. And that involves typing script. And so we move forward, parentheses, colon, is actually the words that have to get typed to tell the computer what to do. Tell the computer to tell an object what to do. So we'll eventually get into that at some point, but this year we're going to just continue with the Blockly coding. Okay, so I'll click continue, and when I'm done with that, it takes me to my next puzzle. Okay, and you're going to read those directions and then follow them. Remember, all your tools are here. If you need to take something away, remember you can click it and bring it over to the garbage. Or if you need to take 2 away, or if you need to move stuff around, you do that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys, play with this. And if you get done with all of these in lesson 1 today, you can start on lesson 2, or there are some other options for you up on the board under I'm done now what. Okay, you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I miss you guys like crazy. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.